Good morning. It's been a minute since we've done a video, so I thought there's no greater place to do the next video than here in St. George, Utah, Sand Hollow State Park. So to give you a quick timeline, Tuesday night after work, we loaded up the truck and the trailer and we buzzed out here to Sand Hollow here in St. George, Utah, staying at this nice Airbnb. Yesterday we got out on a couple trails. Jeep did pretty good, a couple little hang-ups. Fuel pump was blowing a fuse, and so found a wire that might be the culprit. Got that fixed, had a good rest of the day, just having a good time. So I'm just getting loaded up here. We're gonna run over and get things ready to go, helping run a trail with my friend Brad and Fred, and should be a good time. All right, here we are at the start of Double Sammy, ready to rock and roll. All right, we made it to the famous exit way of Double Sammy, the chute. Really not all that technical, just a little intimidating when you roll up, and it's a pretty straight up and down. So here we go. Kind of hard to see, but you can see Matt's off-road recovery back over there. There's Matt up on the hill. Oh, you're right there. There you go. Oh yeah. All right, it's Friday morning. We are with Jake here. We are on risky business in the rear, helping out. It's been a good run so far. We've got some stockies, we've got some built TJs, JKs, LJs, and it's a nice view. So we're about halfway through, and everything's going good. The last 2 days I've had like weird issues with the fuel pump. It was like cutting out when I'd hit something, and so I think with something was shorting or making contact, and inside the firewall, one of the grommets had gone astray, and I think one of the wires was making contact with the firewall. So fix that. When I get it back to the shop, gotta do some other repairs. And it was running a little warm this morning, but I think I just changed out the hoses to more of a silicone style hose, and I think I just need to burp the system a little more, but so far so good. Yeah, it looks like it just sheared the shaft, but we'll be able to get you down the bump there, and so you can ride it out at least. So we're in the rear here, and one of the guys with the JL coilover sheared his shock right in half at the shaft. So we're trying to find a rack. We're gonna get some pressure off of it and get them off, and then let them ride bump on the way out. All right, so we just got the bolt out, and the sandstone's not really holding up super well for us. But we're gonna get this bolt out, get some pressure off. Hold the shock. Yeah, it sheared it right off. So we'll tie it off just to get you off the trail, but all right, she's all zip tied up. Get them off the trail here.
Just wrap it around the
shock just sheared right off. We're just taking a breather here. It's never anything you want to happen, but I've been there many times, so always good to help. And that's why we carry tools and zip ties and jacks and all that fun stuff. So it's all part of the experience.